is now happening and unfolding as far as when it comes to Pakistan-sponsored terror? Yes, something that we have heard, but a Pakistan-sponsored drama that seems to be playing out in the field of cricket. Now, on the day as far as India was to face Pakistan in the T20 World Cup match, Pakistan has finally ended the suspense over its participation. Even though Pakistan will not pull out of the upcoming tournament that starts in about 5 days, here's the catch. The team has decided that they will not play the match against India in particular, a match that was to take place in Sri Lanka in Colombo. Sri Lanka in Colombo, as far as when it comes to a neutral venue is concerned. Well, the Pakistani government has announced that the approval has been granted to Pakistani team to play the T20 World Cup match, as Pakistani government's post on social media platforms saying that Pakistan, however, will not take the field against India on the 15th of Feb. So while Pakistan will play the tournament, however, it will boycott the match against India. And this comes after Pakistan was shredded to pieces in the Asia Cup that was held in September last year. Remember, the trophy is still stolen, but as far as India having a game plan, saying that India will proceed as per ICC protocol. They will travel to Sri Lanka, they will practice as per the schedule, they will do a pre-match conference, and they will reach this to a stadium on time, and they will wait there for the match referee to officially call off the game. Because as per rule, points will be awarded only if one team is present on the field, and if the other one refuses to take the field. If both teams are not present, then the match will be considered to have been abandoned, and each team will get 1 point, and this is something that India is not ready to give that 1 point to Pakistan as well. Reactions that have been coming in, let's play them out, and then we talk about the ICC statement.
ये बड़ा आईसीसी का स्टेटमेंट आया है जिसमें उन्होंने खेल भावना को लेकर कहा है, तो हम पूरी तरह आईसीसी से सहमत हैं, और लेकिन हम बीसीसीआई इस पर भी कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगी जब तक आईसीसी से हमारी बातचीत ना हो जाए.
Arunil, good afternoon. What sort of gamble that the PCB is trying to pull off here? As far as it would be a gamble, they would have consequences that they would have to face if they officially write to the ICC over boycotting the India match.
But the big question over here, Amita, is why hasn't the PCB written to the ICC as yet? It was their government which basically wrote on the social media account first, saying that Pakistan Cricket Board is going to forfeit or boycott the match against India on February 15. Now, the ICC has made it very amply clear, basically saying that the PCB has to communicate in this matter, and also ask the PCB to find an amicable solution in this, basically saying that there will be repercussions that the PCB will have to face. They'll have to bear the brunt because it is a last-minute communication that the Pakistan government is making, and if the PCB adheres to their government's decision, then it will be difficult for the ICC to, it will be a financial loss that the ICC, the BCCI will have to bear over here as well. The BCCI also is saying that we completely agree with what the ICC is saying. However, the ball is in the court of the Pakistani Cricket Board. Whatever they communicate, based on that only, the further decisions can be taken in this matter. In fact, politics has also heated up with respect to all the opposition leaders, be it Priyanka Chaturvedi, be it leaders from the Congress party as well, questioning the BCCI in this, that we have been telling you to boycott the game against Pakistan. Why didn't you do that at that juncture? Now the PCB has responded and they have done it. However, what the BCCI has been saying is that they depend upon communication from India's Sports Ministry, that is India's government. And yes, India's government has clearly said that we want to host the Commonwealth Games, and in such kind of a crucial juncture, we cannot keep any country out, because all countries have to play the Commonwealth Games, and this is an international tournament. There is an agreement that has been signed between the BCCI, the PCB and the ICC as well, and as per the agreement, any game that has been played at an ICC event between India and Pakistan has to be done at a neutral venue. By that agreement, this game was supposed to be played in Sri Lanka, but it seems like Pakistan
all of the conditions actually and the concerns of Pakistan, that means, have already been impressed. They have been addressed in this case as we are looking at. So what exactly is the reason? What exactly is the real logic there? That remains to be seen on what the PCB is trying to pull off. Sahil Sohail is also connected with us, because Sahil, as far as the political point of view also is concerned, there are some here who have been saying that this stand actually should have been taken by India, should have boycotted this match against Pakistan.
Well, first of all, India is a responsible global power, and India acts responsibly. So when it comes to cricket, India has been always supporting this game, and in fact, in this particular situation, it's expected that India will proceed as per the ICC protocol, because it's not going to basically attract any sort of penalties or any sort of in fact sanctions. What Pakistan has done is a celeb goal. In fact, it's hurting the Pakistan most. There will be sanctions, there will be penalties, and there will be actions by the ICC, because one of the concerns that Pakistan had was already addressed, and the game was basically shifted out of India, and it was going to be held in Sri Lanka. So what at this point in time we see is in fact more than cricket, it is politics that's at play. After Operation Sindoor, we had seen Pakistan being isolated at global level, and in fact is banking upon in Bangladesh alone in South Asia. So where in fact Pakistan is now trying to basically score a diplomatic point with Bangladesh, and in run up to that
going the Bangladesh way, because if they want to stand in solidarity with Bangladesh, well, it has to also keep in mind as far as the consequences are concerned, because already the PCB's coffers are running dry. Please to stay on with us, Sahil, because as far as the ICC is now concerned, it is formally awaiting as far as a letter or any confirmation to come in from the PCB side over their government's decision. But the ICC on the Pakistan Cricket Board's decision to boycott the India-Pakistan match, the ICC in its statement says that such selective participation in the tournament goes against the very premise of a global sporting event, and that all qualified teams are expected to compete on equal terms. Now, the ICC has also said that while respecting the role of governments in national policy matters, PCB's decision is not in the interest of the global game or cricket fans worldwide, including fans in Pakistan, and it could also have long-term implications for cricket in Pakistan, impact the wider global cricket ecosystem. And according to sources, the ICC may also call for a board meeting to discuss Pakistan's reported threat to boycott the match. Now, the ICC, however, is still awaiting the official confirmation to come in from the PCB on the matter. But when we talk about how politics surrounding this area, as far as the drama that seems to be unfolding on Pakistan's side, seems to have some sort of an effect on the opposition leaders here as well. The Congress is now questioning the BCCI and the government, asking that this step should have rather been taken by India. India should have boycotted this match. But BJP further slamming the Congress for politicizing the issue, as far as political interference is what amounts to what the Pakistan government has now done.
मेरा तो सीधे सीधे ये कहना है कि ये काम ये पहल भारत को करनी चाहिए। हमारे निर्दोष नागरिक मारे गए, हमारे जवान शहीद हुए, और हम चाहे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट बोर्ड कहे या कोई भी कहे, हम नहीं खेलेंगे क्रिकेट, हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए। हम क्यों खेलेंगे? ये कौन सी क्रिकेट डिप्लोमेसी कर? आप एक दिन बिना देश को बताए लैंड कर जाएंगे और नवाज शरीफ के साथ निमंत्रण का भोज खा करके वापस लौटेंगे। विदेश मंत्री वो देश के दुनिया के किसी कोने में जाकर के पाकिस्तान के राजनयिक लोगों से मुलाकात करेंगे, और यहाँ जनता वो देशभक्ति का उबाल लेकर के दिल में बैठी, और आप क्रिकेट खेलने की बात करें। क्रिकेट मत खेलिए, बिल्कुल नहीं खेलना चाहिए। और ये पहल पाकिस्तान करे, इससे बेहतर है कि भारत आगे बढ़ के कहे कि हम ऐसे देशों के खिलाफ क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेंगे।
Well, they know that they can't win against India, hence they have decided not to play. They thought we can salvage some respect, because they have never been able to beat India any time except once in the World Cup. But we had a very good opportunity when 26 people were killed at Vaisaran to boycott Pakistan and send this message across the world that we're not paying homage to those 66 who have been martyred by the terrorists from Pakistan. But unfortunately, we didn't do that. Pakistan has gone a step ahead.
ये भारत ने पाकिस्तान को मौका ही क्यों दिया बोलने के लिए? हमें खुद मना कर देना चाहिए था। ये कौन सा रिश्ता है? यहाँ दुश्मनी, वहाँ यारी। ये हमारी गलती है, हमने उनको मौका दिया। एक फर्म स्टैंड लेना चाहिए भारत सरकार को, दिस साइड या दैट साइड, है ना? गुड़ खाएंगे, गुलगुला से परहेज करेंगे, ये कोई फर्म विदेश नीति नहीं होती है। You have to take a firm stand on every subject. You can't take on ad hoc.
ऐसा देश जो आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देता है, खुद भिखारी की तरह पूरे देश में भीख मांगता है, पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है भिखारी के नाम से, वो हमारे देश भारत के साथ क्रिकेट खेलने से मना कर रहा है। मतलब हार का इतना डर है। भारत से मुकाबला करना तुम्हारे औकात की बस की बात नहीं है। हम तो जैसा जो आईसीसी के चेयरमैन उनसे कहेंगे कि पीसीबी पर बैन लगा दो, इनका क्रिकेट कंट्रोल बोर्ड ही भंग कर दो, ये लोकल गली क्रिकेट खेलने लायक है।
देखिए, भारत की जो ढुलमुल नीति है, पहले ही भारत को मना कर देना चाहिए था। एक तरीके से मैं कहूं कि जो है पाकिस्तान ने पहले ये करके एक तमाचा मारने का काम किया हमारी, और ये फेलियर है कहीं ना कहीं जो है जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल का है कि जिस तरीके से जो है पाकिस्तान का रवैया है और जिस तरीके से पाकिस्तान को अवसर दिया उन्होंने, मैं तो अध्यक्ष भारत इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल से कहूंगा कि पाकिस्तान को आजीवन प्रतिबंध लगाना चाहिए अगर वो इस तरीके का रवैया अपनाता है तो।
The BJP, meanwhile, have also criticized when it comes to Pakistan over its decision to skip the India match. There are leaders from the BJP saying that Pakistan is a nation that spends its time begging all over the world, with leaders, including their Prime Minister, admitting that they are focusing only on asking aid, with the begging bowl adding that whatever Pakistan seems to be doing now benefits them, but also works in the favor of India.
Now, it will lead to a massive loss of revenue, and they want to show solidarity towards Bangladesh. How do you see this step, sir?
Whose massive loss? They are a nation. They are a nation who is begging all around the world. Prime Minister himself, Shahbaz Sharif, has said that I and Munir has got only one work: taking a katora and begging to different nations. So whatever they are doing, it's good for them, and it's good for us also.
जो हारने की शक रखता है वो भाग जाता है। आई फील दैट पाकिस्तान रियलाइजेज दैट दे हैव नो चांस अगेंस्ट इंडिया, देयरफॉर इंस्टेड ऑफ लूजिंग ऑन द बैटलफील्ड दे आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द बैटलफील्ड। दैट्स माय व्यू।
Allies also coming out to react sharply to Pakistan's move, saying that Pakistan has no standing at well when it comes to challenging India, whether it comes to on a battlefield or on a cricket field.
देखो, पाकिस्तान ऐसा कौन सा देश है वो भारत देश को ललकारा है? वो क्या ललकारे? उसके पहले अपन लोगों ने डिसीजन लेना चाहिए कि पाकिस्तान के साथ नहीं खेलना चाहिए। वो क्यों हमें ललकारे? उनकी हैसियत क्या है?
आपको लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ पहले ही भारत की तरफ से डिसीजन ले लेना चाहिए था? आईसीसी को एक स्ट्रिक्ट पेनलाइज करना चाहिए अब पाकिस्तान को।
ये देखो, डिसीजन लेना चाहिए, इसके पहले नहीं लिया होगा तो अभी लेना चाहिए।
All right, so that only remains to be seen what happens as far as Pakistani government, which actually amounts to political interference when it comes to the game of cricket. But the PCB is yet to formally write that letter or communicate its decision to the ICC. Now, as far as the ICC is concerned, it is awaiting if PCB takes a stand against boycotting India-Pakistan match. However, what happens beyond that? Because as far as they reach the knockout stage or even in the finals there, would Pakistan even then boycott the match? Well, there has been no reaction that is now coming across on that bout. But when we see how exactly this boycott stunt will cost Pakistan a lot, we will be, in fact, in way also talking about what could be the possible consequences if the ICC comes to a decision.